Hi, hello, welcome to the Doctor Code. Let's dive into the storyboard. Leetcode 295 find median from data stream. If we don't know median, that's completely fine. In this problem, we have to complete all three objects. So we don't want to waste any time, just get into it. There are two heap queues. First, we need to add number 1. Just add the data in the left side. And then we check the level of the left and right is not equal but just by one value, so that's completely fine. And then we add 2 but as a negative value. Now we check the length both left and right, but this time the length is not matched by 2 values, so just pop the top of the value. When it comes out, it changes into the positive and adding into the right. Now adding 3 but as a negative value. Now check the length, it's just fine. 3 and 2, it's not in a right sequence, so we just swap. And we have to keep in mind 12 should be the negative value, and right we have to change the state. Now we have to find the median. We checking the length. Now we can see it's a add length. Now we just take a top of the value from the left and just send it. We're adding 10 but as a negative values. Now checking the length, it's not equalized, so we just pop and put into the right. So the property of the heap will take it as its own, the lowest value in the top, and then we are checking it's in a right sequence 2 and 3. Yeah, it's completely fine. Now we have to find the median. We are checking the length, it's a even value, so just take 2 and 3, doing some mathematical computation. 2 plus 3 divided by 2, it's a 0.5, and then we send it back. First of all, we have to initialize left and right heap queues. In the add num object, we have to add the given num into the left heap queue, but as a negative value. And then now we are checking the length. If the left and right is not equal more than 1, so we just pop and put into the right. Now we are checking the sequence are in a right order. So we have to swap the values, pop the left and store in a n1. And then we pop the right and store in n2. And then push in the left and change the state by negative. And then push in the right, change the state. How to find the median? That's the main motto of the problem. If the length of the left plus length of the right modeled by 2, which means it's a odd. Now we have to return the top of the left value, but we have to change the state, or else return top of the left value plus top of the right value divided by 2. Don't forget we have to change the state.